Now come to the end part. In end part you are having a 2x plus 6 upon 5 is equivalent to the 5x minus 8. First of all you have to solve this equation. Put them 1 and denominator of 5x minus 8. Right? Now do the cross product. 1 2x plus 6 is equivalent to the 5 in bracket the 5x minus 8. Now multiply, open the brackets 1 by 1. 1 multiplied by 2x is 2x. 1 multiplied by 6 is 6. 1 6 is 6 is equivalent to the 5 multiplied by 5x is equivalent to the 25x. 5 multiplied by minus 8 is equivalent to the plus minus 5 8s are 40. Right? Now put the like terms in one side. 2x minus 25x. When I shift the 25x from the RHS to the LHS, it will become negative. Minus 25x is equivalent to the minus 40. Shift 6 from LHS to the RHS. It will become minus 6. Right? So 2x minus 25x is equivalent to the minus 23x. Is equivalent to the minus 40 minus 6. Minus minus plus 40 plus 6 is 46. Put the sign of minus because 40 is greater and 40 is having the minus sign. Right? Cut the minus sign from both the sides. So 23x is equivalent to the 46. Now x is equivalent to the 46 upon 23. In LHS you are having a 23 in multiplication. When I shift it to the RHS, it changes into division. 46 divided by 23. 23 ones are 23 twos are. So x is equivalent to the 2. Now आपके पास आंसर आ गया. You got the solution. X is equal to 2. Now you have to verify that your answer is correct or not. For this you will do the verification. Make 2 columns, one for the LHS and second one for the RHS. Right? In LHS you are having 2x plus 6 upon 5. In RHS you are having 5x minus 8. Right? One by one you can solve both the sides. First come to the LHS. Put the value of x. 2 multiplied by 2 plus 6 upon 5. 2 2s are 4. 4 plus 6 upon 5. 4 plus 6 is 10. 10 upon 5. 5 ones are 5. 5 2s are 10. So 2 is the answer of LHS. Now come to the RHS. 5. Put the value of x. 2 minus 8. 5 2s are 10 minus 8. 10 minus 8 is 2. So here the LHS is equivalent to the RHS. 2 is equivalent to the 2. So x equal to 2 is the solution of 2x plus 6 upon 5 equal to the 5x minus 8. Right? I hope it is clear to all of you. Now come to the O part. In O part you are having a 3x minus 5 upon 2 minus x upon 3 is equivalent to the 5. Right? First of all you have to solve this equation. 3x upon 2 लिख देंगे इसको and minus 5 upon 2. इसको separate कर दिया हमने. Right? Minus x upon 3 equivalent to the 5 upon 1. Right? Now like terms one side ले लेंगे. 3x upon 2 minus x upon 3 equivalent to the 5 upon 1. When I shift the minus 5 upon 2 from LHS to the RHS, it will become positive 5 upon 2. Now take the LCM of both the side. 2 and 3 के LCM आएगा 6. 2 के टेबल में 6 कब आता है 3 जा तो 3x multiplied by 3 is 3 3 are 9x. Right? 3 के टेबल में 6 कब आता है 2 जा. So 2 multiplied by x is 2x is equivalent to the LCM of 1 and 2 is 2. 1 की टेबल में 2 कब आता है 2 जा तो 5 2 जा 10 प्लस 2 की टेबल में 2 कब आता है 1 जा तो 1 5 जा 5. 9x minus 2x is equivalent to the 7x upon 6 equivalent to the 10 plus 5 15 upon 2. Now do the cross product. Right? 7x multiplied by 2 is equivalent to the 15 multiplied by 6. 7 2s are 14x equivalent to the 15 6 are 90. So x is equivalent to the 90 upon 14. Right? 2 7s are 14, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10 is equivalent to the 45 upon 7. Now you have find the value of x. You have solved the equation. For that, your answer is correct. You have to verify it. For this, you will do the verification. Make two columns, one for the LHS and second one for the RHS. In LHS, you are having a 3x minus 5 upon 2 minus x upon 3. Right? In RHS, you are having the 5. First of all, solve this. Solve one side and one time. After that, you can solve the second side. First of all, LHS. In LHS, take the, first of all, solve it. 3x upon 2 minus 5 upon 2 minus x upon 3. Right? So, 3x upon 2 minus x upon 3 minus 5 upon 2. Right? So take the LCM of 2 and 3. 2 3s are 6. 2 के टेबल में 6 कब आता है? 3s are. तो 3x multiplied by 3 is 9x. Minus 3 के टेबल में 6 कब आता है? 2s आता है. तो 2 multiplied by x is 2x. Minus 5 upon 2. 7x upon 6 minus 5 upon 2. Right? Now put the value of x. 7 upon 6 multiply by 45 upon 7 minus 5 upon 2. 7 1 is 7, 7 1 is 7. Now 45 upon 6 minus 5 upon 2. Now take the LCM of 6 and 2. The LCM of 6 and 2 is 6. 6 की टेबल 6 कब आता है? 1 आता है. तो 45 1 45. Minus 2 की टेबल 6 कब आता है? 3 आता है. तो 5 3 is 15. 45 minus 15 is 30 upon 6. Right? 6 1 is 6. 6 5 is 30. So you got 5 is the answer of LHS. In RHS you are having 5 5 5 5 5 5 5 5 5 5. Here the LHS is equivalent to the RHS. Right? 5 is equivalent to the 5. So x is equal to 45 upon 7 is the solution of 3x minus 5 upon 2 minus x upon 3 equivalent to the 5. Yes, I hope it is clear to all of you.